Rolling. Is it rolling? Do you see the numbers?
I know. Lights flashing red.
Oh, okay.
Okay, let's go 160.
Right, but let's go shoulder to shoulder on the line.
Is it sprinting the whole time?
Acceleration.
Oh, wait.
Wow!
I gotta get back into it. Beautiful technique. Beautiful, beautiful. Couldn't show you the line out stuff, that's secret stuff. Here we are documenting the performance of our rehab buddy Declan Simi on the wing right here, and Joel T on the inside of our friend Declan. The boys on the side here, they're the ones that I'm running on with for this training session. And then over on the far side you've got the Prems, and on our left here we have our second grade, reserve grade. Let's get in on the action. POV, Josh the fullback. This is what he sees in the game. As you can see, there's a lot to see. Here we go. Back three in action.
Getting that swing because they're all going to punch in there, yeah?
Good chat. Nice carries, bro. Gonna follow our rehab buddy Joel. Nice lineup. Good kill. Nice fella. Nice. Beautiful. Signing off.